ค่ะ Good morning, and right now you're watching this edition of Investment Beat with me, Hatay Teshekitiranan. And we see yet another record high of global gold prices for 2 consecutive days. And to talk about the issue is the CEO of YLG Bullion and Futures, คุณทิพาวรรณวัฒนทรัพย์ สวัสดีค่ะ คุณทิพา
ค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ คุณหทัย
Good morning, ma'am. Well, first of all, what has happened in the gold price situation for the past week?
For this week, the gold price made a new record high at the price of $1,463 per troy ounce. And in terms of the local gold price, the price made a record high at 20,750 baht per baht for 96.5% purity of gold. And the main reason is still focused on the uncertainties in the Middle East, and also you can see that oil price also made a new record high at the price of $110 per barrel. That is why the reason that make the gold price increasing. And also yesterday, the ECB, European Central Bank, they also increased the interest rate for 0.25%. This is also one of the reasons that make the gold price will go a lot higher. So we might probably see a new record high again for next week.
Mm-hmm. And these factors seem to be short-term, as you mentioned, the continuing situation in the Middle East, in particular in Libya, and also the situation in Europe. What are other factors that driving the prices up, do you think?
Right now, we're still concerned on the problems in the Middle East, and also for the past few days, Portuguese also have a problem for the public debt also, as we can see that it has been downgraded. So these are still one of the main issues that we all have to concern for.
Mm-hmm. What do you think will be the trend of gold prices for the rest of the year then?
Yeah, for the near term, for the first half of this year, we believe that we will see 1,500 very soon, and we probably have a chance to see if this week it can break the level $1,480 per troy ounce. So next week we might probably see it might try to reach the $1,500 per troy ounce, but otherwise we probably see it within the first half of the year, and then until the rest of the year we still target at $1,600 per troy ounce.
So all in all, we can expect a continuing surge for the first half of the year to come.
Yeah, it is. But then, in terms of the investor, they need to be more cautious also, because right now the gold price is already high. And then, as we all know that this year the gold price is very volatile. So in terms of investment, they have to be very careful, because there's also every time that it's increasing the price a lot, it will have profit takings, and then for each time it can drop up to $50 per troy ounce per time.
Mm-hmm. And speaking of these investors, now what types of gold trading are reported so far?
What does it mean?
It means, well, what types of gold trading activities that have been popular right now with this surge in gold prices?
Right now, in terms of the investment, there is both the investment in terms of physical gold and investment in terms of the futures trading. But then, most of the reasons that if you compare between two markets, between physical market and the futures market, of course, the derivative market, the futures market is more active, in terms of volume. So it is more the market that drives the overall gold price. As you can see from all over the world, that the gold futures market normally is a bit bigger than physical markets, around 10 to 15 times.
Mm-hmm. What are other risk factors that investors need to watch out for as well?
Right now, they still, if they want to start to invest in gold, what they really have to look at is the oil prices and situation in the Middle East,
right,
and also the overall economies. For example, yesterday when there's another earthquake round in Japan, there's also one of the concerns that make investors more worried about global economy. That is one of the reasons that make the gold price going up.
And Kun Tipa, thank you once again for joining me in the program and elaborating on the issue of gold price. สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
And taking a short break for now, but of course do stay tuned for more news coming up next.